Hi, I'm Russ Mitchell, sitting in for Katie Couric tonight. Here's what we're working on for this evening's CBS Evening News. It has been a busy day at the Supreme Court. The big news coming out of the court today is the High Court threw out a $79.9 million punitive damages award to a smoker's widow today. This was someone who was given $80 million a few years ago, and the Supreme Court today threw the case out. Wyatt Andrews is at the Supreme Court. He'll have the latest for us this evening. Also going to tell you about a new group of heroes in Baghdad. It's a group of folks that you've probably not heard about before. It is a fascinating story. Also, JetBlue is back in the air today after nearly a week of rough times. Last week, the airline had to shut down much of its operations after that bad snowstorm in the Northeast. And yesterday, the airline had to basically cancel operations in 11 markets, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. Sharon Alfonsi is working on that. She'll tell us how JetBlue is doing today. We'll also continue our series on the caregivers, and this is fascinating. When there's an illness in the family, when a mom or dad becomes ill, an elderly mom and dad becomes ill, it can really tear families apart as brothers and sisters and brothers argue over what to do. Well, Thaya Assuris is going to tell us about a program to help you avoid all that trouble. It's something that you may not have heard about. It's a mediation situation where you'll go into a room and you'll basically talk to someone who will decide with you how to handle the issues going on with your mom and dad, and it may salvage your relationship with your brother and sisters. Thaya is going to tell us about that. A lot of other stuff going on today. It's a busy news day here. A lot of things are in flux, but we'll have it all tonight on the CBS Evening News. See you then.